Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of the endless cycle of dieting, deprivation, and disappointment? Do you feel like you're constantly battling your cravings and the scale, only to end up right back where you started? If you've ever felt frustrated by the traditional diet approach, you are definitely not alone. So many of us have been there, caught in a loop that feels impossible to break free from. But what if I told you there's a different way? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might just change your perspective on weight loss forever. We're going to explore whether it's truly possible to shed pounds and feel amazing without ever going on a restrictive diet again. Get ready to discover how you can fuel your body, feel good, and achieve sustainable results. Let's be honest, traditional diets often set us up for failure right from the start. They typically involve strict rules, cutting out entire food groups, and a constant feeling of hunger. This kind of approach is incredibly difficult to maintain in the long run. The biggest issue is their unsustainability. We might see initial rapid weight loss, but it's often due to water loss or muscle mass, not true fat reduction. This quick fix rarely addresses the underlying habits that led to weight gain in the first place. This leads to the dreaded yo-yo effect, where you lose weight, regain it, and often end up heavier than before. It's a vicious cycle of deprivation, intense cravings, and eventual surrender. Your body and mind simply can't sustain such extreme measures indefinitely. Instead of punishing ourselves with restrictive eating, we need a smarter, more sustainable approach. It's about making gradual, positive changes to our daily eating habits. This shift helps us build a healthier, more intuitive relationship with food. Our goal should be to nourish our bodies, not to punish them. When we focus on sustainable habits, we can achieve lasting results and truly enjoy the journey. It's about finding a way of eating that supports our health and happiness for life. Now, let's get into the core nutrition principles that can help you lose weight without ever feeling like you're on a diet. These aren't quick fixes, they are foundational habits for long-term health. They focus on nourishing your body and building a sustainable lifestyle. This is perhaps the most fundamental shift you can make for your health and weight. Whole foods are those that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think about what grows from the earth or comes from an animal, without much human intervention. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily meals. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to thrive. They provide sustained energy without the crashes associated with processed options. One of the biggest benefits of whole foods is their fiber content. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods, which naturally reduces overeating. It also supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those sudden hunger pangs. Choosing whole foods means you're getting more nutrients per calorie. This makes it easier to meet your body's needs without consuming excess calories. It's about quality over quantity, ensuring every bite contributes positively to your well-being. Think about swapping out refined grains for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or oats. Opt for fresh fruits instead of fruit juices, and load up on colorful vegetables at every meal. These simple swaps make a huge difference. Mindful eating is about paying full attention to your food, your body, and your eating experience. It's about slowing down and truly savoring each bite. This practice helps you become more aware of your hunger and fullness cues. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to eat quickly, often while distracted by screens or work. This can lead to overeating because your brain doesn't register that you're full until it's too late. Mindful eating helps bridge that gap. Before you eat, take a moment to notice your hunger level. Are you truly hungry, or are you eating out of boredom, stress, or habit? This simple pause can prevent unnecessary calorie intake. During your meal, put your fork down between bites. Chew your food thoroughly and pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas. Engage all your senses in the eating experience. Avoid distractions like your phone, TV, or computer while eating. When you're focused solely on your meal, you're more likely to recognize when you've had enough. This practice helps you stop eating when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Mindful eating also helps you appreciate your food more, making the experience more enjoyable. It transforms eating from a mindless act into a nourishing ritual. This deeper connection with your food can lead to healthier choices naturally. Water is absolutely essential for every bodily function, and it plays a surprisingly significant role in weight management. Often, what we perceive as hunger is actually just thirst. Our bodies can sometimes confuse these signals. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you feel fuller and reduce overall calorie intake. Try drinking a glass of water before each meal. This simple habit can help you eat less by taking up space in your stomach. Water also aids in metabolism, the process by which your body converts food and drink into energy. Staying well hydrated ensures your metabolism is functioning optimally. Even mild dehydration can slow down this crucial process. Beyond weight loss, proper hydration supports energy levels, skin health, and cognitive function. It helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, and lubricate joints. It's truly a cornerstone of overall health. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day as a constant reminder to sip. Infuse your water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries if you find plain water boring. Make hydration a consistent and enjoyable part of your routine. Remember, sugary drinks like sodas, juices, and sweetened teas contribute significant empty calories. Swapping these out for water is one of the easiest and most impactful changes you can make for weight loss and health. Even when eating healthy foods, portion sizes still matter. It's easy to overeat nutrient-dense foods if we're not mindful of how much we're consuming. Calories still count, even if they come from healthy sources. Portion control isn't about strict calorie counting, but rather about understanding appropriate serving sizes. It's about eating enough to feel satisfied and energized, without going overboard. This awareness prevents accidental overconsumption. One practical method is to use smaller plates. This simple trick can make your meal look more substantial, tricking your brain into feeling more satisfied with less food. It's a psychological nudge towards healthier eating. Another helpful technique is to visualize serving sizes. For example, a serving of protein might be the size of your palm, and a serving of cheese the size of your thumb. These visual cues can be very effective. You can also use measuring cups and spoons, especially when you're first learning about portion sizes. This helps you calibrate your eye and understand what a true serving looks like. Over time, you'll become more intuitive. Remember, portion control is about balance, not deprivation. It's about enjoying your favorite foods in moderation. It empowers you to eat what you love without derailing your progress. Including adequate protein with every meal is a game changer for weight management. Protein is incredibly satiating, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. This reduces the likelihood of snacking between meals. When you consume protein, your body expends more energy to digest and metabolize it compared to fats or carbohydrates. This is known as the thermic effect of food, and it contributes to a slightly higher calorie burn. Protein also helps preserve muscle mass, which is crucial during weight loss. When you lose weight, you want to lose fat, not muscle. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat does. Good sources of lean protein include chicken breast, turkey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and lean cuts of beef. For plant-based options, consider beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. There are so many delicious choices. Aim to include a source of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Starting your day with protein, for example, can help stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings throughout the morning. It sets a positive tone for your eating habits. Making protein a priority ensures your body has the building blocks it needs for repair and growth. It supports your energy levels and helps you feel strong and capable. This makes it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. Let's put these principles into practice with some delicious and easy meal ideas for a healthy day. These examples are designed to be satisfying, nutritious, and supportive of your weight loss goals without feeling restrictive. They show how enjoyable healthy eating can be. For breakfast, consider a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. The oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, while the berries add antioxidants and natural sweetness. The nuts contribute healthy fats and protein, keeping you full. Another fantastic breakfast option is Greek yogurt with a handful of mixed fruit. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps kickstart your metabolism and keeps hunger at bay. The fruit adds vitamins and natural sugars for energy. Moving on to lunch, a large, colorful salad with a generous serving of lean protein is an excellent choice. Think grilled chicken, salmon, or chickpeas over a bed of mixed greens, loaded with various vegetables. Use a light vinaigrette dressing. Alternatively, a whole wheat wrap filled with lean protein like turkey or hummus, and plenty of fresh vegetables, makes for a satisfying and portable lunch. The whole wheat wrap provides fiber, and the protein ensures sustained energy. For dinner, baked salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa is a perfectly balanced meal. Salmon offers healthy omega-3 fatty acids and protein, while roasted vegetables provide fiber and nutrients. Quinoa is a complete protein and a great whole grain. Another comforting and nutritious dinner idea is a hearty lentil soup served with a slice of whole grain bread. Lentils are an amazing source of plant-based protein and fiber, making the soup incredibly filling. The whole grain bread adds complex carbs. And for those times you need a snack, reach for whole, unprocessed options. Fresh fruits like apples or bananas are naturally sweet and full of fiber. Vegetables like carrot sticks or bell pepper strips with hummus are crunchy and satisfying. A small handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, provides healthy fats and protein to tide you over. Greek yogurt, again, is a versatile and protein-rich snack. These options keep you energized without derailing your progress. These meal ideas are just a starting point, of course. The key is to mix and match, find what you enjoy, and always prioritize whole foods, protein, and fiber. Eating well can be both delicious and incredibly effective for weight management. Achieving sustainable weight loss is not a sprint, it's a marathon, a journey that requires consistency and patience. There will be days when you feel incredibly motivated, and days when you might slip up. That's perfectly normal. The goal isn't perfection, but rather consistent effort and a commitment to getting back on track. Every healthy choice you make, no matter how small, contributes to your overall progress. It's about building momentum over time. Remember that weight loss is just one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Combining these nutrition tips with regular physical activity is crucial for optimal results. Exercise not only burns calories but also builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and improves mood. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, cycling, or lifting weights. When exercise is fun, you're much more likely to stick with it. It becomes a positive part of your daily routine, not a chore. Focus on building sustainable habits that you can maintain for the long haul, not just for a few weeks. These small, consistent changes add up to significant results over time. They become second nature, part of who you are. Embrace this journey as an opportunity to nourish your body, improve your health, and feel your best. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your well-being, rather than constantly battling against it. You are capable of incredible things. So, do these nutrition tips really work for losing weight without dieting? Absolutely, yes. By prioritizing whole foods, practicing mindful eating, staying hydrated, controlling portions, and boosting your protein intake, you can achieve lasting weight loss. These aren't temporary fixes, they are fundamental shifts towards a healthier, more balanced relationship with food. They empower you to make choices that nourish your body and support your goals, without the deprivation of traditional diets. You can truly transform your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people who are looking for sustainable health solutions. We want to spread this message far and wide. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical health and wellness tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're constantly sharing new ways to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. What are your favorite non-dieting nutrition tips? Share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and building this supportive community together. Let's inspire each other on this incredible journey to better health.